Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to talk a bit on past indefinite tense. So in this video we are going to cover three different topics regarding past indefinite tense. Key points of the past indefinite tense, definition of the past indefinite tense, and three formulas of past indefinite tense. So let's get started. Key points of the past indefinite tense are: did is used as a helping verb. Every tense has its own helping verb. For example, present indefinite tense helping verb is do and does. Present continuous tense helping verb is or am. Present perfect tense helping verb is have and has. Present perfect continuous tense helping verb is have been and has been. The same past indefinite tense helping verb is did. And did is used with all subjects. For example, he, she, it, we, you, they, I, singular name and plural names. And did is not used in simple formula. Means we don't use did helping verb in the formula of past indefinite tense, simple formula of past indefinite tense. First form of the verb is used in negative formula and interrogative formula. Also we use did in negative formula and interrogative formula. Second form of the verb is used in simple formula, and we don't use did in simple formula of past indefinite tense. Means we simply use second form of the verb. Its definition is: we need to use past indefinite tense to indicate past actions or past habits. Past indefinite tense is also known as past simple tense. Its second definition is: the past indefinite tense is used to indicate a finished or completed action. Means the things, the verb, that action which you have completed in the past, that happened at a specific point in time in the past. Then we use past indefinite tense. Let's understand it by examples. He retired from his job. Now it's the sentence of past indefinite tense simple formula, because there is no the usage of did, as we know that I said in simple formula of past indefinite tense we don't use did in simple formula. He retired from his job. Here the action has been done in the past. Means now he is free. He retired from his job in the past. The same, she controlled her weight. Means again it's simple formula of past indefinite tense. Lopa completed her homework. Means she had done or she completed that work in the past. Now she is free. She did not come here. It's negative formula of past indefinite tense, because here we are using did, and when we use did then we use not, because did is used in interrogative as well as in negative formula of past indefinite tense. Why did they leave the job? Simple formula of past indefinite tense: subject, second form of the verb, verb plus object. I wrote articles on different topics. Now I is what? Subject. Wrote is second form of the verb of write, because write is first form, wrote is second form, and third form is written. But here we are using wrote, because simple formula we use second form of the verb. Articles on different topics, it's object. Second sentence is: he read various kinds of books. Now again he is what? Subject. Read is second form of the verb, and various kind of books is object. They played football on that field. They is again subject. Played is second form of the verb, and the rest part of the sentence is object. Now it's negative formula of past indefinite tense: subject, did plus not plus first form of the verb plus object. Now the first sentence is: he did not go to the library yesterday. He is what? Subject. Did is did, it's helping verb, and again we are using not because when we talk about negative then we have to use not. Go is first form of the verb, and to the library yesterday is what? Object. We did not come for shopping in this market last week. We is what? Subject. Did is again helping verb. Not is we are using because we are talking about negative. Come is again first form of the verb. For shopping in this market last week, it's object. They did not watch a movie in this Cineplex yesterday. Now again you can easily understand that they is what? Subject. Did is its helping verb. Not is we are using negative formula. Watch is first form of the verb, and a movie in this Cineplex yesterday is object. Interrogative formula of past indefinite tense. Did plus subject plus first form of the verb plus object plus question mark. Because when we talk about interrogative then we have to use helping verb and the start. Like, did he sing different kinds of songs, especially modern? Now did is what? Helping verb. Because we are talking about interrogative, so we have to use did in the start. He is subject, sing is what? First form of the verb. Different kinds of songs is object, and especially modern again object. At the last we have to use question mark. Question mark is important, then it becomes interrogative. If you don't use question mark, so then it doesn't mean that it's interrogative. Did she listen to melodious songs at last evening? And did you travel around the world? Did they play cricket on that field last week? So I hope this video has been helpful for you. Thanks for watching.